yo. So this is a direct response to a comment in the last video, and here's what the comment said. Great video. I think you should make a video about how you extended the background in Adobe. It would be very helpful. And I will do just that. I can do this two ways. Now first, I'm going to do this manually, and then second, I'm going to show you the easier way. So first thing I'm going to do is press V to activate your move tool. And let's say I want this right here. Yeah, that looks good. You can either press M or use this tool right here to select the marquee tool. Drag over this area right here. I'm going to use this to extend my background. So now that I've done that, I'm going to right click and hit layer via copy. If you have this layer selected, you can hit V once again. And I'm going to hold shift and drag that upwards. So now you can see that extended it, right? There we go. But I'm going to do the same exact things to the other edges to finish it off. Press letter M, drag over an area, layer via copy. Now we have that left edge. I'm going to go ahead and drag that as well. So I extended that left edge. We're going to hit M again and drag over this right edge. Copy, layer via copy. And now we have our right edge. I'm going to hit V to access our move tool once again. Hold shift and drag that over. Drag the top part as well. And now we have a rough extension. I'm going to select all three of these edge layers, merge them, and then merge it with this bottom layer as well. Now, how do we fix these edges right here? You can either press J or just select your patch tool, drag over the weird area, and you can use the left or the right as a source layer. And then when you do that, boom, it looks all right. Looks good. All patched, no problems down there. I'm going to do this to the rest of the sides so it looks polished. That's sort of blended. I think I can do a little better. I'm going to select again, find a different source area. Now for the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Grab a patchy area, drag it to a layer that's better, or drag it to an area that's better. Now that is not harsh anymore. And boom, that is the manual. That's the more of the hard way to do that. You can see that we extended the borders, the edges. Now I'm going to show the easier way, the shortcut on how you can do this quickly. So I'll start off by resetting everything and then going from scratch again. And you'll see how easy this actually is. I mean, of course, when you use AI, everything's going to be easier, but there we go. So we're reset now. All you got to do, this is Adobe Photoshop 2024. It says transparent default. Change it to generative expand. And then when you expand your photo, so now when you expand your crop and you hit enter, it's going to ask me to generate, like, what do I want to generate? Now, if I don't put anything, we're going to see what AI chooses for me. Now this is going to be interesting. Boom. So how long did that take? Like 5 seconds. And we have 3 different versions of extended edges. So the way I did it manually took maybe 1 to 2 minutes, but AI does this in 5 to 10 seconds. This is really interesting. I mean, it makes our jobs easier. I don't know which one I'll go with. I think this one looks the cleanest. Now you should easily be able to extend backgrounds. I showed you 2 methods. That's really all I know. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and that is all I got. Stay easy.